High-speed trains shrink the distances between cities and get people closer to each other. Eco-friendly vehicles carry dreams to the horizon. Interconnected power grids illuminate our society. And smart homes bring joy and laughter into our lives. Every day, we all enjoy the comfort and convenience that electrical power brings to our lives. But behind this dazzling spectacle, few are aware of the pulsating heart that propels the rapid progress of society. Transformer core is an indispensable and hidden component of electrical power networks. It has a wide range of applications, including transformers, electronic circuits, motors, and more. They are supporting vital industries such as ultra-high voltage transmission and distribution, railways, data centers, and new energy. For over 2 decades, PTTX dedicated itself to the electric energy sector. We specialize in high-end electrical steel materials, transmission and distribution electrical equipment, and integrated smart factory planning. We provide green, low-carbon products and comprehensive solutions for the industry chain. PTTX boasts an industry-leading intelligent manufacturing base for silicon steel and transformer cores. Leveraging our proprietary digital brain, we have encompassing marketing, research and development, production, intelligent logistics, customer service, and business management to creating a seamless end-to-end closed loop. Now, PTT have established a fully interconnected, smart control and safe industrial internet system. PTTX Smart Factory has implemented temperature and humidity control systems. Supported by the digital brain, we achieved intelligent automation throughout the entire production process. Our entire factory is fully automatized and capable of 24-hour automated production cycles with just a set of instructions, bringing to life the concept of a modern lights-out factory. Empowered by technology, PTTX Smart Factory excels in core metrics such as product quality control and energy conservation, leading the industry and earning numerous prestigious accolades. Innovation is the key to sail towards the future. PTTX places great importance on technological innovation and talent development. We have established strategic partnerships with leading domestic research institutions and universities. Additionally, we have invested significantly in the creation of a research and development center, focusing on key areas like fundamental materials and green electrical applications. This strategic approach drives the industry towards comprehensive digitization and intelligence. PT Silicon Steel, equipped with intelligence. PTTX is dedicated to expanding its international presence. Simultaneously, we offer high-quality silicon steel and transformer core solutions to hundreds of transformer manufacturing companies in over 50 countries and regions around the world, contributing to bring electric power to every corner of the globe. The technology of silicon steel materials is the embodiment of China's wisdom in power and new energy. With an eye on a dual carbon future, PTTX will continue to contribute to the green and low-carbon transformation of the power industry through advancements in electrical steel material technology. Gathering the vision of the era, we innovate the silicon steel ecosystem. The core of PTTX listens to the heartbeat of the world.